on the night show. We get caller already. We know what she want for Christmas. Caroline, good evening. Hello, from Ojo, good evening. Caro? Hello? Hello? Caro? I'm looking for Caro. It's Caro. You know, the songs when they sing these days, anyway, we'll leave those songs. When I come back on top of the night show, what we say when they discuss, they're very simple. We say from tomorrow will be December 1, go reach like December 25 will be Christmas Day, and we're going to give one person a Christmas gift. If we get all of our 25 here today, you don't know. It's possible. So therefore, our phone number there on top of TV, very simple. Make you call us, tell us, what's be that thing where you want for Christmas? What's be the thing where you want for Christmas? On top of Twitter, Chiamaka Ike say, I want a romantic dinner with Marshall from Manchester United. Gosh, that guy turns me on. My sister, now typhoid, now they do you. Okay, when typhoid. We get turning belly. You know, say na two different typhoid day. The guy where they come with a headache. The guy when they come with the belly. Typhoid type A and type B. Chiamaka, you have typhoid. Now, the two type where they mix together, belly and headache. The thing they make her see things when not day. They turn you on. She can turn your spirit off very, very soon. But the nothing you can never tell no. No, but okay, now the one we will go do. Not be now what thing we go do, we say make you tell us. Not be waiting you want for Christmas. Yeah? And then they do that they do now that native goat where are the smell where they smell I want. Which native goat they smell? He goat. Jesus. Anyway, our phone number is there on top of TV. Make una begin the call us today. So let us know what thing you want for Christmas. If what you want for Christmas, tell us now. We they give you what you want for Christmas. Some people say they want. Okay, this one say I want hamper. I hear Prince. So I say I want correct hamper. What it constitutes correct hamper? No, what you go there for correct hamper?
Some hamper they.
My brother. You know, say, this Christmas, you go no company, person will like you. You go no companies will get you for mind. You get some, the hamper, now that market basket.
As hamper, somebody won't empty.
Which you did man. You get, last year, hampers, they will check, blank checks. They said they don't sign them, blank checks, 500K. I don't go talk the company where they give that blank check. My brother, I go tell you, sorry, Emmanuel, say we'll keep you on the hold. Our phone number is there on TV. Make una call us. Tell us what thing you want for Christmas. We go give una. What you want? The hamper? No, maybe they give us. Then that hamper we get 500K. Then they give them down. If you see them in no, you know some normal hamper na baskets. This one na box. They will get cover, design,
briefcase.
Hey, and now this Christmas. People, you know, say people, they are working a hamper. Some people will say, you just settle down. Just settle down now and do hamper. Talk now. Talk now. So therefore, from I beg you, man, answer better person. From Aurelia, good evening, Biko. Hello? Jackson.
Yes?
How is you?
I'm fine.
How is your ministry?
No problem.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Ungwa, what do you want for Christmas?
Hello?
Hey, what do you want now? I say hello.
I tell my own, I need a Christmas Gresham ticket.
You have it.
Christmas 25.
You don't get them. I beg, as we they cut you from here now, give them your phone number. Make them write them down.
Okay.
You don't get tickets for Praise Jam. Thank you. Now you're waiting, you want,
right.
You don't get them. Jackson from Orili don't get his own Praise Jam tickets. From, hello, good evening. Hello?
Yes. Hello, Mr. Nedu, how now?
How is you?
I just do. How your side?
My brother, we did like a Passat. I Passat like a Passat one now.
I beg you, Mr. Nedu, you know what I want for this Christmas?
What do you want?
I want that Wazobia iPad.
This one?
Wazobia iPad that I want.
Now you want for Christmas, I
now, yes.
Okay. Okay. I Wazobia iPad.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You know, iPad.
I know that I and eyes not be the same. At least eyes, two eyes. As we they cut you from here, give them your phone number. Thank you very much. Giwa, good evening.
Okay, thank you.
Giwa, thank you. Hello, Giwa. Why the guy don't call? He never give you phone number. And then Francis Uche say, I beg, I don't promise say I go kill correct he goat for my family. So I go like make una give me for Christmas. Thanks in advance. I like your faith. Thanks in advance. Hello, good evening. Wait, Francis Uche, make a write down. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Christian, how is you?
I did fine. I like the red cap.
Now you want for Christmas?
Maybe my work. I love the red cap. I love it.
My brother, if I give you this cap, oh, your life will change.
I said, that your second when they talk. I want your voice.
She don't lost him. She use left hand, drop her voice. She don't know where. You know, say when you use left hand, drop something, you not go see him.
Oh.
So now what will happen? Chris,
What do you want for Christmas? No talk.
He don't know what he wants. Korode Bello, good evening.
Good evening, no.
I don't get a lot. God winner. Korode.
As I don't say my name, God do
My brother, as I hear your voice now, I know to not be you be the Korode. Because that one, in voice be like woman. So what do you want for Christmas, Korode?
I want bag of rice.
Bag of rice.
Yes.
Okay, Korode, what be your surname?
Meshoye.
Get it?
M-E.
Don't worry. Call it M. Call it M is okay. Call it. Give them your phone number.
Okay.
As you cut for here now, drop your phone number. No worry.
Okay.
Thank you very much. We will get to you. And then on top Twitter, say Mark Ojivo Mako. Hi Nedu and Katin, we want peaceful celebration. My brother. See, if I talk this, say some of you are not going to make heaven. I don't know why they talk this thing. Some of you will not make heaven. I say, what do you want us to give you for Christmas? Now, peaceful celebration don't be our handy day. Now the hand of God. God and the world people. And the world people. Anyway, so now what do we go give you for Christmas? Now we they ask you, please, and please. Because, And then this guy was, okay, this one, I never write this guy, Francis Uche. He said he want, I go like make una give me he goat, bracket, he. And then the don say, they do not that native goat where they smell. Okay, now see the same goat, okay, Ala Keabi. Two goats. The don. But the don, you don't write your phone number. Anyway, if we go tweet at you. We go tweet at you for the goat. Okay, from Lu to good evening.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Sister in the Lord, now man you be a woman. Hey, how come man no?
I'm a man. A boy.
But thank God say you change them now. Because I want to answer whether na bash you be. Because na bash, na get that voice special. What do you want me will give you for Christmas?
I want a bicycle.
Bicycle. How old you be?
I'm 12 years old.
4.
Yes, 12.
Where your papa dey?
My papa did with me.
And reduce your volume for TV. Reduce your TV volume. We not like them. Reduce your TV volume. Reduce your TV.
Okay.
Okay. Come on, now say something. Yeah, has you reduced it?
Yes, sir.
Where your papa dey?
He's near me.
Give him phone. Give him phone.
Hello.
Papa Mohammed.
Yes. Good evening.
Now you be the papa?
Yes, nah.
Yes, now. You just say you be man. Yes, now.
I be man.
How old you be?
42.
42. How old is Mohammed? Biko.
It's 12 years.
Why is it 4?
So they meet it 12.
Mystic, okay? Okay. Now, Mohammed say he want bicycle for Christmas.
Yes.
All right, no wahala. And what thing we will do for us be say, as we dey cut you from here, drop your phone number, then we'll go get back to you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ngwana. Hello, good evening.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Hi, how is you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm fine.
Your TV day on?
Yes, my TV there.
Reduce your TV volume now,
All right, sir.
or you will not make heaven.
I go first you make up now.
My brother, the keys to heaven, na me hold am.
Na lie, na lie.
The three, see, make I tell you what you don't know. Heaven get part 3 compartment.
Uh-huh.
Heaven of the Father, 3 heavens, 9 days. And then we get duplex.
Hello, Nedu, wait, ma greet my sister, I beg.
I'm gonna greet am.
on my phone.
Ngwa.
My road here. Okay, I can see. Nedu say don't lose your voice.
She use left hand to keep him. She don't know where she keep him.
I don't remember.
Oh, na me chop your credit, oh, Gabriel. You not come know what you want more give you for Christmas. Go buy credit now, or thief phone, call us back. Hide. Hello, Kenneth.
Nedu, good evening, sir.
My brother, how is you?
I'm from our
How is your ministry?
ministry final.
Are you with me?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Ngwa, what do you want us to give you for Christmas?
Yeah, actually, I want a phone for Christmas. My phone is bad.
Your phone they bad.
Yes.
Hey, yeah. Which kind? No worry. Which kind of phone you they use?
I'm using
Na China phone?
No be China phone, no.
Na original phone?
Yeah.
No worry now. Kenneth, drop your phone number. We'll get back to you for Christmas. Oh?
Okay.
Ngwana. Phone. Hello, who is on the line? And then on top Twitter, again, Daniel Wisdom. Say, Nedu, I beg, I need laptop for my university purpose next year. And iPad, my brother, you are wicked. My brother, you are wicked. You are a thief. You want laptop for your university purpose. And then he said, an iPad, just like the one. My brother, you not gonna choose one. You are wicked. You will not make heaven. You will not make heaven. From Ikate, good evening, Biko.
Hello.
Madam, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Give me a thank you.
Nedu. Hey, my sister Kasim. How about you? Oh, yeah, Miss Sunamuyo now. Nedu. I want bag of rice.
Bag of rice?
Yes. And a phone. I don't have a phone. I want a phone. Bag of rice for my children.
It don't finish. You know what, car?
My sister.
You know what? Oh, yeah.
You know what?
You know what, pepper, tomato, curry, thyme, or what? Like all those things to mix up with them.
For my children, no.
Madam, rice.
Okay. No problem. God bless you. Kasim Sunamuyo.
Thank you, Mrs. Rose Rice, Biko. From Lekki? Anybody from Lekki need anything?
Hello.
Agajayi.
Hello.
Good evening. How is you?
I thank God, ma. Where am I?
Where you call from? Lekki?
Yeah, they come from Lekki, ma.
Okay, you want give people, I bet you one book will give you.
Ma?
Do I look like a woman?
No, I'm a mom.
Yeah.
Hello?
Agajayi, would they hear you? Talk?
Yeah, I went to Mr. Nedu.
Sir?
I just want me you give that girl where they close to you, so.
Ma, give him phone. Which phone?
No, I want me Nedu give me that girl. Now waiting I want for this December.
Oh, now what do you want?
Yeah, for
my brother,
December.
you go die quick. If she give you.
Yes.
Now change. Bed bug. You know what they call chinch?
What?
You know what they call bed bug? Mosquito chinch.
Uh-huh.
Can she be?
No. Because as I look and so, No, she dey do like say she no fit talk. But if I get her for this December period, then I will know whether she fit talk.
Okay, no worry. She go meet you. Which area of Lekki you there? I hope say not be Bachan house.
No. My I dey road 42.
Not be for Cananza you be.
No, hey, I dey for road 42, number 36A, Lekki.
For Lekki, you don't marry.
Yeah.
I hope say not be boys quarter you there.
No be boys quarter, no be boys quarter. I live with my uncle.
Hey! You live with your uncle, you want carry my brother. Hey!
No.
You will not make heaven.
But I'm gonna make me have. I must say my truth. I must say the truth.
Now be me hold the key. Shall let me hold the key to heaven, brother. Good night. Good night. You there BQ. We there house with your uncle. You want carry woman enter house. You don't even have respect for your uncle. Chidima, good evening.
Good evening, lady.
Good evening, one. Evening.
Evening.
Because what do you want us to give to you Christmas, Biko?
Okay. Wetin I want, make na give me and my husband flight ticket to Asaba, to and fro.
Flight ticket.
Yes, to Asaba.
To and fro. To and fro. Okay.
Yes.
What una dey go do?
We dey go my mother-in-law birthday.
Hey, yeah. Where una dey go?
We dey go 24th December.
Oh, 24th of December.
Yes.
My sister. Okay. Then a Christmas break now.
Yes.
I'm gonna know wahala now. Thank you very much. Chidima from where? Ilukpeju Okoya?
Yes, sir.
I bet drop your phone number with them so that we go fit call you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. On top Twitter. Oh, hey. Lunch. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Melody in the Lord. Melody in the Lord. My sister, raise your two hand up. Raise your two hand up.
Make I do it.
Raise your hand up.
I don't raise my up.
Receive heaven. You will make heaven. What do you want for Christmas?
The bag of rice I want to.
You don't marriage?
No, I never married.
Who did they tell you no?
Now my auntie.
Your
mom.
mom.
My auntie there.
Your mom.
My auntie. My aunt.
Your aunt.
Yes.
Not only aunt, now cockroach. Give her a phone.
Okay, hold on for her. Hello, how are you?
Our aunt.
Hey, I like your program.
My sister will like you too. Una rice una want? Which kind of rice una want? Abakaleke ka Uncle Ben.
No, Uncle. Polish rice I want.
Foreign rice. That one when you cook up, you go there, one. That one when you be saying you cook up finish, you go there, one.
You say what?
Thank you. The madam will down here. Thank you. Melody.
Melody. Hello.
We go drop your phone number, we go come back to you.
Okay.
Thank you. Good night. Take kiss.
Thank you. Good night.
Take kiss.
Bye.
My sister. Take give your auntie. On top of Twitter, Sandra Ohazurike Bay. Launch with the night shot team. Easy Beat, Katim, and Nedu. I think that will make my holiday. You never talk what you get for mind. If you want Easy Beat, say it. Because the Easy Beat name then confessed. Why? My sister, why? Come out and say your mind. You don't know Easy Beat might be available. I don't know. Easy Beat. Hello, Emmanuel.
Hello.
Emmanuel.
Hello, sir.
How is you?
I'm fine, sir.
What do you want for Christmas?
I want a handset.
Handset. My brother, talk. You want handset or phone? My brother, handset, they're different. You know those kind of phone. Is it for, what will be your name?
Sir?
Your name? Afagi.
My life. Okay, my name. Emmanuel Nwokoro.
Emmanuel Nwokoro. Okay, I beg, give them your phone number. Thank you.
All right, sir.
Hello, from Ikoyi. Ikoyi people not supposed to need anything from us now. We're small boys. Hello?
Hello?
Roland.
Yes.
Which part of Ikoyi you dey? Man, no first.
Oganedu.
My brother, how is you?
I'm fine. Oh.
How is your ministry?
My ministry is moving.
Wave to the
I love
Lord.
Your ministry.
Wave to the Lord. What do you want us to give you? Or what do you want to give us? Eh?
I tell me I don't want too much. I just want hamper for Christmas.
Hamper.
I feel relaxed.
Okay, hamper.
Okay, Oganedu.
Because hamper na hamper. We get hamper of 2K. We get hamper of 5. But the hamper is hamper. No problem. You will get a hamper. You has it already. Good night. Drop your number so that we are going to call you. Ikoyi is not far.
Okay.
I'm going to Roland. Okay. Gene. Nedu and Katim, I want Android tablet for Christmas. This one talking on. I want Android tablet. No problem, Mosako Ifani. And then Nedu, I need home theater. Oh, so that you can blast music disturb your neighbor. Thank you. And then Chap, okay, Nedu, I'm serious. I want Louis Vuitton shoe or laptop. Anyone is okay. Chap, you don't have boyfriend. I'll buy you Louis Vuitton. My sister, you don't need, you know, now because you still get one way they wear. Now make it go Lagos Island. And Louis Vuitton, they everywhere. Look, I want Louis Vuitton. Different color. Turquoise blue, red, pink, mango, yellow. Oju Elegba green, cockroach brown. From Ikeja, good evening.
Where you there now?
Good evening.
Where you there?
Who be this? Ikamwa.
I'm from Ikeja.
Who? Who?
Ekama from Ikeja.
What did do your voice before?
Ah, should they talk for TV now? So me someone they talk now.
My dear, leave my voice. My voice is natural. Ekama, what do you want us to give to you?
Walk, I won't walk.
Hey, yeah. What did you qualify?
SSC.
Eh? Okay, no wahala. Thank you very much. Thank you. I guess only you will not make heaven. Anyway, thank you very much. Come back. And then on top Twitter, Nedu, I don't want too much, just 20K. And tickets for Praise Jam. Okay, you will want a ticket for Praise Jam. John again. John, put your phone number here. I bet tweet us your phone number, John Praise Jam. John the Baptist 98. Because tweet us your phone number for your Praise Jam ticket. That one is automatic. You has it already, so that you can come and see DJ Easy. No, na woman and man you be, so you don't need to see Easy Beat. Now Sandra has Rike. Now if you see Easy Beat, we never talk through what you want. Then. Hey, blessed to us. He said, I want live talking. My brother, you're not too hard. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
My brother, how is you?
We dey fine, no.
What do you want us to give you? What do you want to give us for Christmas?
Now they do which one you dey serve? That's your babe where they near you. You get us if you know they talk.
Now they talk now. Now deaf and dumb. Yes.
They say when she they talk before.
No, that time. No, now evil spirit they want at that time. You know, say get how evil spirit go enter you, then go manifest through you. So now I don't know the particular evil spirit, but it be they manifest through her. But now her real self be this. She not a.
Okay. What time have you give me now for Christmas?
What recharge card?
Huh?
What do you want now? Or not?
I need just only RAM. RAM.
Okay. Which one? Now computer RAM. I been a RAM because RAM read only read the.
RAM, not be computer RAM.
I'm gonna know. No, Wala. Thank you. Ngwana bye
But you
bye.
never, you not see they do.
What do I do now?
You never collect my number now. You say make a
Now be
bye.
big collect number. Ngwa talk. What be your phone number?
Hello?
Hello.
00.
If you
Nine
call
five.
them, out, people go they call you.
Okay.
So call
Who
them.
want to take a making collector now?
The person go collect them now. Thank you. Why would they retweet? And from Ojodu, good evening. Hello?
Hello. They do.
Nsika?
Alpha.
Abadi?
Idoko.
Iraka mama.
Eh?
And that thing was speak now. Iraka mama.
What you want now? This your
Picture. What he say want?
I don't know.
Okay, I beg, those of you now, we go small break now. Before we go break, those of you now, when it be say they call, we don't say make una drop on a name, una feel call back in case you not drop your number, call back, drop your number. But before we go, Abdulaziz Salih who say, Nedu, DJ, Karim and Karim. Well done, Abdul Karim na you be. For today, now, for this purpose, you are Abdul Karim. So the short form is Karim. My daughter Zara needs a phone. Her number. How she can't take that number if she never get phone? Happy Yuletide. My brother, you still speak English. He never heard you. Or Jim Yuletide. I want to spend time with Izibit. Hey! Izibit now, man! I beg, wait, make una see the person who wants to spend time with Izibit. See him, please, camera, zoom this thing. Zoom this thing, quick, cause it's so God that we don't have time. See the guy where wants to spend time with Izibit, even dropping phone number. Hey, signs of end time. We are coming. Hey, Izibit, hey, Otak is where now. Izibit, they are going to let you.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.